Hi, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. In today's video, this year I invested into a new coffee making system, I will say. And this is because when I really broke down the amount of money that I was spending on coffee, a coffee costs like, I'm gonna say on average $5, right? And that's cheap. So 5 times 5 is $25, and that's flat, no tax, no fees, no nothing. So that's $25 that I'm getting a coffee every day of the week, Monday through Friday. That then becomes $100 monthly, and that becomes $1,200 yearly that I am spending on coffee. And again, like I said, that is for a $5 cup of coffee, which is not really realistic because coffee costs usually upwards of $6, $7, $8. Knowing all of this, I took it upon myself to be a little bit more financially responsible, trying to have better financial freedom. I invested in a Breville. Thank you guys for coming along on this video. I really just wanted to get into the spirit of the holidays and everything like that and show you guys all of my favorite at-home barista type drinks that I'm gonna put the recipes. Some of these I have made before, some of these I'm making for the first time. If you guys find some, if you know any more, let me know. I do have a little coffee at-home barista series going on over on my Instagram, as well as I believe I post some of those here on my shorts. Before we get into this video, if you like these videos, like other videos like this, if you've been coming along for Vlogmas and you're enjoying that, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be part of the village, be part of the family, and if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as in the description below.
I wanted to say that my coffee system is from Breville. I got a Breville grinder as well as I have the Breville Bambino Plus. Both of these were great investments. If you're looking for a coffee system, I definitely would recommend to start here and just look up some more about it. My coffee stand is from Amazon. I will have that linked in the bio. And then these are just some of the things that sit on top of my coffee station: my matcha, different hot chocolates, coffees, and syrups.
The first drink that we're gonna be making isn't super like winter themed, but it is very like soothing for the cold, like faller type weather. We're gonna be making a shaken iced maple espresso. Let's get into it. I look like a mess. I just woke up and I need some caffeine. Today we're going to be making an iced cookie butter latte. Hey girl, I look crazier than ever today. Today we're gonna make a shaken iced peppermint white mocha. And I'm gonna use the peppermint milk. It's been, ooh, there's tea at the bottom of it. 4 days, 5 days. We're gonna be using the white chocolate syrup. I was spending so much money on coffee, and you probably are too. Line this glass. I'm almost out of this syrup, so we're gonna line this glass and then sit it in the freezer. I think all in all, my coffee unit was $500. The best $500 I've spent, I think. If you don't know what kind of coffee beans to get, I definitely recommend looking online for these. I'll link them down below too in the description. These are the best coffee beans I've ever tasted. Look at how it came out. Yeah, a tea-ish flavor. Yeah, a peppermint mocha for sure. I'll see you guys back here for 2 more. Up bright and early. And I need a coffee really bad. I've been showing you guys all of these fun, good recipes and stuff, but I still think I myself love a standard little coffee, something that's not too flavorful, something that just kind of gets the job done. Show you guys how I make a iced vanilla latte. I hope you guys can hear me. My washer is going in the background and it's kind of loud. Guys, this is our last day. I feel like it's only right to make things right. I made a iced cookie butter latte on day 3, I think. And truly, it wasn't the best. Personally, I don't feel like it was that great. I think I used way too much syrup in there, and also the espresso pull wasn't the best. I'm gonna show you guys another version of the cookie butter latte to end off these chronicles, and I will come back to you guys to close the video out. So let's make this new version 2.0 of the cookie butter latte. So last minute I pivoted to a hot drink, but this is basically the same type of latte. If you put it over ice, it'll be an iced cookie butter latte. But thank you guys so much for coming along with me in this video. I hope that you do enjoy. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be part of our village, be part of our family. And with all that being said, I will see you guys next week. Bye.